Hello, welcome. My name is JesseMcDesign. Today, we're going to be rewrapping this motorcycle seat. Let's get started. Alright, so this week we got something a little slightly different. I don't think I've done anything quite like this on the channel before, but I have dabbled here and there with some similar stuff. But as you can see, we have this, what I believe is a motorcycle seat. I didn't really ask what it was off of, but my uncle wants me to rewrap this. Obviously you can see it is completely shredded, and it's gonna be relatively simple, straightforward. We're gonna completely tear all this off, and since even the foam underneath has some divots and holes and cracks and stuff in it, we'll end up, before we rewrap it, we'll end up putting down just I have some really thin padding stuff. We'll put that down first just to kind of even things out a little bit, and then what we'll do is I have some vinyl here that we're simply just gonna place on top and just simply wrap it. We're not gonna get too crazy. This seat was stitched together a little bit in some areas to give it its shape, but I think just to get it done and to be a little bit quicker and more efficient, I don't think my uncle's, looking for anything fancy here. He just wants this done, basically. So we're just gonna wrap it, and wherever there might be like certain shape that isn't even, we'll just, pleat it and fold it in on itself and make it fit really nice. It should go actually pretty quick, I think. So with all that being said, we're just gonna jump right into here. We're gonna tear all this nasty mess off of here, see what we're actually looking at under here with what foam is left and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna glue it on. Maybe I'll do that. That's not a bad idea. The thin foam bit to kind of even this out, and then we'll come back before I start to actually wrap this thing. All right, as you can see, we got our new padding on here. There was a little crack in here. I don't know if you see it during the time lapse, but I just kind of filled it with a little piece of this, just kind of folded up and to fit that. There's still a couple little inconsistencies, but I think it's a lot better than it was. And putting this on here kind of gave me the idea of how we're gonna do the actual new vinyl on here. And I think for the most part, it's gonna be pretty self-explanatory. These sides are obviously just gonna come across under the bottom, and we're just gonna staple to the edge, and then once we get it stapled, we'll trim it up real nice and make it look nice. But the backs, you can kind of see here. I don't know how well you can see that, but I cut it and made a fold. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm not gonna cut it because I don't want like that extra, I don't want anything to get inside there, but we'll fold it and just kind of, wrap it around that way. So I think probably just right there in those corners, and then again, probably the same deal up in these front corners. The way I'm gonna do it though is gonna be kind of specific. If we're sitting on it, if this is, forward, I'm sitting on it, everything is coming this way. So I'm gonna wrap this down kind of under these folds. So, we're not gonna be going up under the folds, if that makes sense. And then the same for back here. We're gonna fold the back down and then kind of the sides over it. So everything's kind of folded on top of each other going this way. So like if this is here and then the front is gonna come on top of it. So if anything gets on there, it's just gonna come off. It's not gonna go inside that seam, if that makes sense. It should. So we're just gonna keep moving on. This took me about 30 minutes so far. We're just gonna keep plugging away, and we should be able to get this vinyl on here no problem. I did use a little bit of a spray glue to kind of stick this on here just so it doesn't really shift and move around. I think I'm going to do the same with the vinyl, just enough just to, you know, keep it on here and secure. It's not going to like shift and get any weird or anything. So let's just get this thing knocked out. All right, so there you have it. Super quick, super easy. I'd say it took about a little over an hour, hour 15, hour 20 or so, with going back and forth, getting everything together. But as you can see, it looks much, much better. I didn't have to do any weird seams on the front, which is awesome. And then, like I was saying, on the back, just quick little seam there. Same thing right there. So as the wind's going, it's gonna go over that seam. It's not gonna get tucked in or anything weird, like rain, whatever they end up riding through. And then we just went ahead and stapled all the way along the edges. And then I went ahead and just hammered them in, made sure they were in nice and secure. I don't think anything's gonna happen to this. There's, you know, who knows how many staples, 50, 100, something like that. But I'm super happy with that. You know, you can probably see as I was doing it, I was just really moving and stretching the material out, just spreading it out so it's nice and tight on this. It's not gonna wrinkle up too much, I don't think, as they sit on it and use it and stuff. But even if they did, even if that did happen, you know, I could just fix it and adjust some things here and there. But with all that being said, super happy with how this came out. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up, it really helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'm always over here doing some sort of, usually art, home decor, furniture. Sometimes I'm refinishing stuff like this. Leave in the comments below what I should do next. See you on the next one.